Welcome to Laundry 101 for living in the bush without running water. First, you need a bucket with a lid that can seal. This bucket is about 30 liters. And you need a plunger. First thing I did was cut a hole in the bucket so that the plunger can stick out. And then with the plunger, I cut several small holes in the side to allow water to pass through for proper agitation of the laundry. Now when it comes to actually using my new washing machine, I'm going to pour some water inside. Then add laundry detergent. I only use Omo because it's gentle on the clothes and it's really good at getting the dirt out. Now when using a washing machine like this, you need a lot less laundry detergent than you would use if you're just washing by hand, because you're agitating and it'll get very soapy, and if you use too much, it'll be very difficult to rinse your clothes out. So, next thing I do is add some of the clothes. I try to break it up based on colors and material. Once the clothes are in, I use the plunger to make sure they're all well under the water. And you can see it starts to get soapy really fast, even though I only used a small amount of detergent. Once all the clothes are submerged underwater and the water is a bit soapy, then you put the lid on. Now you need about a minute or 2 minutes of agitation, which is what the plunger is for. And if you notice, the purpose of the lid is so that you don't get yourself soaking wet with soapy water while you're doing this part and agitating the clothes. It also helps that my bucket is a bit bigger than the load, so it's not as messy. And just for convenience, I've set the bucket up on the chair so that I don't have to be bending over and doing all the agitation. The clothes should be clean, and you simply have to wring out the clothes, dump the water, replace with clean water, and repeat the process for a quick rinse, and then hang the clothes to dry. Simple as that.